Hey everybody, Jonathan Willis here. All of you are well aware that the RWT POCKET KIT, the Real World Trauma POCKET KIT, is the lowest profile, highest grade, professional grade kit that you can carry on your person on a daily basis for trauma interventions, being ready for whatever might come your way in the trauma environment. But it's one part of a greater system, and it's intended to be carried in conjunction with your favorite tourniquet. Whether it's the Snakestaff Wide Gen 2 or the cat tourniquet, or I don't know, I have some other things around here, but whatever your preferred tourniquet might be, you have to carry a tourniquet with you, whatever that might be. So for the longest time, my preferred method of on-body carry of a tourniquet in conjunction with my RWT was the Phlster Ascent AR magazine pouch with DCC clip. And I would just, there's a little spacer that allows a magazine pouch to fit in this appropriately when it comes with it. I would remove that and I would tighten up the cordage, the elastic cordage here. And this made for a really nice on-body method of tourniquet carry. This is the only thing I would ever carry small of back, because if I were to fall to my back, it wouldn't be much of an issue for me. I actually carried about 630, a little bit to the left of my midline on my back. So I carried this for the longest time with my RWT kit. Now this is being discontinued and they are still available, but that's just for however long they remain. But so I went down the rabbit hole of what are other great methods of on-body carry of a tourniquet. Now, I've had great relationship now with Snakestaff since they started developing the Gen 2. Now my preferred tourniquet is still the Cat Gen 7, but the Snakestaff Gen 2 wide is a tourniquet that I am very much appreciating. So that got me into the Snakestaff line of offerings, and something that they're offering is the Snakestaff Snakeskin Pro with DCC clip. And this is an incredible little piece of very simple kit that I love, because as you can see, it perfectly carries a cat tourniquet. It's designed for and perfectly carries a Snakestaff Gen 2. This is the wide variant. It comes in several colors. I don't care about colors, so it doesn't really matter to me, but it comes in several colors. This is the Snakestaff Snakeskin Pro with a DCC clip. And I found this to be a terrific low profile thing to help me carry this system, the RWT POCKET KIT, with my cat tourniquet every day. This is an amazing option. So take a look at it, see what you think, and have your kit with you every day. Have a great day, be safe, get training, and we'll talk to you soon.